be showing you how to draw Alien Hominid. Let's get into it. First, I'm going to start with the head. Now I'm going to do his antennas. And now I'm going to do his eyes, which are basically two circles, one inside the other. And now I'm going to do the eye on his other side of his head. And then I'm going to go on to his body and legs. And now you're going to draw his arms, and his right one has a blaster. And there you have it. There's Alien Hominid. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.